Dr. Steele, and we are here at some ultimate medication to appreciate and acknowledge the vital role that doctors play in our healthcare society. Let's go to the doctors and know a little bit more about their ultimate life. Happy National Doctors Day.
Thank you.
Sir, my first question is, how long have you been at Sama?
It's 5 years, some of now.
Okay, so what motivates you to work for mankind?
See, for as a doctor, our job is to serve mankind. Whether it's a doctor day or not a doctor day or a holiday, every day we are in our profession. It's like 24/7, 8 to 365 days we are on.
What keeps you going on the tough days?
See, this is the happiness in the patient. It is on this happiness in the already. So she is undergone the trajectory now. She voice is normal. She is living a normal life. So this is our this is our petrol. What gives us the drive. When we see our patients are like happy after the surgery or after the treatment, and they are happy, so we are happy, and this gives us the main drive.
Sir, how long have you been in Sama?
Actually, I was here after completion of my study as well to here since last 2 years.
Sir, what motivates you the most to serve to mankind?
Yeah, actually, his passion to work and to serve the poor and medical. So that my parents' dream was that somebody of our family to be a doctor. So that is the reason why I am here.
Sir, what is the question that you hear a lot from your friends and family that you are tired of the question?
Oh, so basically, because I am a gastroenterologist and hepatologist, the most common problem is the acidity problem and constipation problem. They ask me frequently about this two issues. Second thing is the fatty liver, because most of the people they have a fatty liver, and fourth is gastro is how much they can drink. Alcohol related is my friends, they always ask me, should we drink or should we don't drink, how much we can drink. So that is the frequent question. They want to listen ki I should advise them to drink some amount. But always my answer is no to them. They will repeatedly ask me, can you take this much, can you take that much. That is the most.
Sir, motivates you to serve the society selflessly in the healthcare sector?
मोटिवेशन आम पेशेंट जो साटिस्फैक्शन गोटे पेशेंट माने आम पेशेंट माने बहुत दुख रे थांती सफरिंग रे आस्तांती बहुत कांदी कांदी आस्तांती ई पेशेंट ने कांदी ना 4-5 बरन सफर करछ आमे गोटे दिटा मेडिसिन की गोटे दिटा प्रोसीजर कॉल की सर्जरी कला पर जो हसी खुशी ना जानती से जो स्माइल देकी ना जानती जो कोंती हमें भलो हे थैंक यू जोडे कोंती सेटा ही मेनली मोटिवेट करे गोटे डॉक्टर ने वर्स्ट प्रेशर जिंस होची the satisfaction of our patient. जब मैं तब गिव कर पाँच, क्योर कर पाँच, कि उधर patient मरे पे जाओ तो ना मचे पर, सही टाइम में मैं ना major motivation तब बहुत ही है.
What keeps you going in the tough days?
Same patient मान को भला करिवार से जो माना मर जो motivation जो टासु ची से में जितने कष्ट है ले यार निचर देह खराब थाउ कि जहाँ भी थाउ पेशेंट मैंने ठीक सफर न करूँ कारण आम उपर बहुत जन डिपेंडेंट रही अच्छी तो आम मैंने जदि केयर न दबा ठीक से सेवा न दबा ऑब्वियसली से माने बहुत सफर करेंगे तो से हमको सेटा ही मोटिवेट करे टू इन द टफ डेज कम माने सर्वाइव करे.
No confined working hours, always a stressful life. Every time you are 24 hours on call, and I think patient tension all the time. He was the patient.
Being a doctor, how does it impact your personal life?
It makes me feel good, like because after doing much for your patients, when you go back, I go home satisfied.
Happy Doctors Day, sir.
Thank you.
I am here to ask you a few quick questions. And the first question is, आपनकर overall कितने वर्ष experience है गलानी as a doctor?
एज ए डॉक्टर मोर 20 वर्षर एक्सपीरियंस हलानी अच्छी 2003 रु एमबीबीएस जॉइन करथली प्रैक्टिस लाइफ 2009 रु 16 वर्ष एक्सपीरियंस प्रैक्टिस लाइफ किंतु एमबीबीएस लाइन रे मोर 22 वर्ष आसिल
ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ୟାରିୟରର ସବୁଠୁ ପ୍ରାଉଡେଷ୍ଟ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟ କ'ଣ?
कैरियर रो प्राउडेस्ट मोमेंट कहल गले जतले मो मेडिसिन पीजी को कृतकार्य होइथिले एंट्रेंस परीक्षा रे सेटा मो कैरियर रो सबटु प्राउडेस्ट मोमेंट थिला एम मोर आशा थिला मेडिसिन स्पेशलिस्ट हबार आ जब मो मेडिसिन स्पेशलिस्ट पाइथिली सेतले मो बहुत खुशी हेतिले एवं मोर परिवार वर्ग मध्य बहुत खुशी हेतिले
सर सम अल्टीमेटली ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲାଣି and what has made you stick to summer?
समस्त अल्टीमेट रे आरंभ होला पाखरु मु अछि 2020 मसिया रु जेबे ठारु स्टार्ट हेछि सेबे ठारु मु सम अल्टीमेट रे अछि आ एठिकार जो कार्य परिवार शैली एठिकार इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एठिकार जो हमर इंडिपेंडेंटली वर्क स्टाइल हम पेशेंट मान को पई किछि करि पारुछु अफोर्डेबल अछि सब प्रकार फैसिलिटीज अछि त सेथि पई हम एठी काम करियो को बहुत बढ़िया लागै
Happy Doctor's Day, sir. And we have some quick questions. You need to answer them quickly. Sir, ଆପଣଙ୍କ overall experience କେତେ ହେଇଗଲାଣି as a doctor?
जदि हमें एमबीबीएस पास करिया कथा कहले पाखा पाखी 26 वर्ष रो एक्सपीरियंस अछि
ମାନେ ଏତେ ଲମ୍ବା ଇୟର ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଭିତରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସବୁଠୁ ପ୍ରାଉଡେଷ୍ଟ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟ କ'ଣ?
प्राउडेस्ट मोमेंट जेतळे कोन सब दिन हम पई प्राउड प्रतिदिन जेतळे कोनोसी पेशेंट हम हाथे भलो हे जाय नुआ जीवन पाए सेटा हमकु प्राउड मोमेंट बोल लागे एमदी जीवन रे अनेक प्राउड मोमेंट्स अछि ताको हमें साउंटी की सब रखिछु जेतळे कोनोसी पेशेंट फेरी आसी कि हमकु प्रशंसा दिए जे भलो हे बिली अपन पई धन्यवाद से दिनदा हम पई प्राउड बोले हम भाव
सर ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡେଲି ଲାଇଫ ସ୍କେଡ୍ୟୁଲ ବହୁତ ବେଶୀ ବିଜି ଥାଏ ତ ଆପଣ ସେଇ ବିଜି ଟାଇମ ଭିତରୁ ନିଜ ପାଇଁ କେମିତି ଟାଇମ କାଢି ପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ନିଜକୁ କେମିତି କେୟାର ନେଉଛନ୍ତି?
देखो एटा तो बहुत बड़े डिफिकल्ट जिनस कारण प्रायोरिटी वाइज आमे जेतु बोथ लेइछु आमे पेशेंट को प्रायोरिटी दउ आमे निजको पछकु दउ से पई इथरो हमर थीम होची 2025 रो डॉक्टर्स डे रो थीम होची बिहाइंड द मास्क केयर फॉर द केयर गिवर्स तो डॉक्टर माने निजको केनी केयर करबे जो माने केयर गिवर अछन निजको केयर करबे ता ऊपर गुरुत्व दिया ता सहित आमे चेष्टा करू जेंति निजको आमोद प्रमोद रखिया पई बेले बेले आमे गीत गायको चेष्टा करू कारक माध्यम रे ता द्वारा हमर जो स्ट्रेस अछि हम प्रतिदिन तो रोगी भलो हवा खराब हवा दिटा को देखू तेणु स्ट्रेस को कमाया पे हमें बेले बेले गीत गायको चेष्टा करू वाइफ मु दिजना को मिसी की गीत गाऊ जोटा कि हमको निजको एलिवेट करे एवं बेले बेले हमें बाहर मध्य करिया चेष्टा करू ई समय भितर एटा ही हमको सबटु खुशी देखाय
Happy Doctor's Day, sir. So we have few quick questions for you that I want to quickly answer for you. So my first question is, how does being a doctor ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲାଇଫ ଟା କେମିତି impact କରେ personally?
प्रथम तो हमें बहुत सैटिस्फाइड रहो कहीं ना एते जो खुशी टा मिले आउ बते किछि दिन से खुशी नहीं करियो हमें पिला जेतले बहुत सीरियस है कि आसंदे भलो है कि जानते आउ तापरे पेरेंट्स करो तांकर भी जो माने भलो ब्लेसिंग्स भी मिले तो ये जिनसटा बहुत हेल्प करे एक्चुअली वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस एमती देखला जदि जने वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस परले मेंटेन कर चलला ड्यूटी समय पूरा ड्यूटी करले घर गले प्लान टाइम देले घर लोकन टाइम देले ताहेले लाइफ टा बहुत ही बढ़िया रहे
सर ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡକ୍ଟର ଲାଇଫ ବହୁତ ବେଶୀ ବିଜି ସ୍କେଡ୍ୟୁଲ ରେ ଥାଏ ତ ସର ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫ୍ରି ଟାଇମ ପାଆନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କଣ କରିବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତି apart from being a doctor?
पिलांग से तो टाइम दे के तांकर जहा खुशी सेटा को ट्राई करो
So you love to spend time with your family.
Yes.
Sir, as you are a doctor in Samam Hospital, sir, how do you feel that Samam stands out in the healthcare industry?
प्रथम तो हमारा डॉक्टर्स गोटे रूफ अंडर रे हमारा सब किछि अछि एंड अप टू डेट जहां भी दरकार इन्वेस्टिगेशन सब किछि बेडशीट रे नै सब आ तापरे हमर जो स्टाफ अछंती एकदम डेडिकेटेड फुल ऑफ एम्पैथी हमें तो एंजल्स को माने वर्किंग बिहाइंड अस हमें क्रेडिट नै जाओ से मानकर हमें पेशेंट देखो एको से माने हमको प्रेस करंती किंतु हम पछे जो हमर अछंती स्टाफ तो तांको मु पूरा ए करे जे हमर जतिके भी क्रेडिट्स दैट गोस टू देम
Happy Doctor's Day, sir. So, ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିଛି quick questions ପଚାରିବି ଆପଣ ତାର quick answers ଦେବେ। Sir, ଆପଣଙ୍କ total years of experience as a doctor କଣ?
एक्चुअली मु जेबठु एमडी पास करी एमडी मेडिसिन बर्तमान सुधा है अराउंड 25 इयर्स पोस्ट एमडी एक्सपीरियंस किंतु ये सम हॉस्पिटल रे मु जॉइन करची लास्ट 1.5 years. ତା ଆଗରୁ ମୁଁ ବାହାରେ ଥିଲି ଅଲ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମେଡ଼ିକାଲ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋର 25 years of experience in medicine and geriatrics.
सर आपनको एते लंबा करियर भितर आपण मेडिकल साइंस को केमिति इवॉल्व होबार देखिछन्ते?
एक्चुअली मेडिकल साइंस जो आम जो MBBS करूँ से मेनली क्लिनिकल ओरिएंटेशन और क्लिनिकल मेडिसिन बहुत ज़्यादा तार इम्पोर्टेंस था. इन्वेस्टिगेशन कम थी. इन्वेस्टिगेशन फैसिलिटी बहुत एडवांस इन्वेस्टिगेशन फैसिलिटी ना. ग्रेजुअली थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग. एक्चुअली पीपल आर डिपेंडिंग मोर ऑन द इन्वेस्टिगेशंस एंड एडवांस इन्वेस्टिगेशंस आसला पर इन्वेस्टिगेशंस एंड क्लिनिकल ओरिएंटेशन टिके कमी जाऊँगी. किंतु आजिकल देखा गले आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आसला पर it involves artificial intelligence plus advanced investigations also clinical equipment. But ମୁଁ କହିବି जो clinical equipment ସବୁବେଳେ फास्ट ରହିବ because ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଡକ୍ଟର କିମ୍ବା ବଡ଼ କ୍ଲିନିସିଆନ୍ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ହେଲେ clinical examination clinical experience is very very important. ଆଉ ସବୁ investigation artificial intelligence ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ helpful. That is only in helping the clinicians to reach a diagnosis and for the betterment of the patients.
Sir, what is the one thing that you love about Sama?
Very good questions. Actually, some of the work, one thing very good work ethics means when work ethics and work environment. जोटा कि एतोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस रे मु गुडाया हॉस्पिटल काम करी आसी and very most liking thing is that the very cordial atmosphere among the consultants, among the other staffs, subordinates, seniors and juniors, and work environment is very cordial. So that one thing I like the most.
Happy Doctors Day, sir. And आमे अपन quick questions पचारिबा अपन तब quick answers. How long have you been at Sama?
Last 3 years.
Sir, what do you love the most about Sama?
I love the Sama mostly because of the infrastructure and the doctors present here. Those who are more committed to the service and well covered to others also.
Sir, अपन को daily life schedule इतने बेसी busy रोज as a doctor. तो सर आपको इधर पे free time में अपन से free time में कौन परिया पसंद करो?
मिले टाइम पसंद
कोड़ी कोड़ी जाइए सर बुलिया में.
hill station and mainly hill station और sea beach.
अपन को favorite vacation destination सब Happy Doctors Day, sir. So, मैं आपको कुछ quick questions पचारिबी अपन तारे quick answers. How long have you been in the healthcare industry as a doctor?
To date, almost 21 years. I passed my MBBS in 2004, so 2025 almost 21 years.
Sir, how have you grown as a healthcare professional at Some Ultimate Medicare?
Well, I would say it's a very good environment, friendly and family environment. That's only I'd like to say.
Sir, if you would have to give a piece of advice, what would it be to the aspiring medical professionals?
Nowadays, it is very challenging to be a medical profession. So then I'll tell my new friends to be patient and be very polite and try to feel the pain of the patient. Then only you will be a very successful doctor.
Happy Doctors Day, sir.
Thank you.
So I'll be asking few quick questions. You need to answer them quickly. So the first question is, what keeps you going on tough days? Because आपन life already इतना tough है जाए, तो आपन जितना बहुत basic किसी tough situation आसे, तो how do you deal with that?
It's actually the constant motivation for the patient, the giving patient a better quality of healthcare. It always keeps me constant push towards changing my lifestyle, even in tough days also. So that is the most important thing. Baki, it's your passion to your profession. So I have chosen my profession as my passion. So এটা মতে কেবে অধিকা tough লাগে না. I somehow manage it well and come out.
Sir, as you have talked about fashion right now, so apart from being a medical professional, when you get some free time, what do you do? What do you do at that time? Like, what is your hobby or what do you love to do?
Basically, I'm a singer and I'm a guitarist, so I play music. I sing, I record songs, And apart from that, sometimes I go for the fitness and all those like walking, jogging, and playing tennis. That's all for every day. Oh, sorry, most of the days.
So how do you feel working at Samam?
So I've recently joined. I'm a new person here, but still, the walking zone is very friendly. Ethi bahut friend circle achi, and working with people is very easy, especially hospital quality and the cooperativeness बहुत high standard रो अच्छी तो सही टाइम होते के बे निजको अधिका struggle feel करिया को पड़ी नहीं, so it's quite enjoy working here.
Happy Doctors Day, sir. So ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିଛିଟା questions କରିବି, few questions and I need the quick answers.
Okay.
So first question will be, during your childhood period, ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଡକ୍ଟର ହବାର inspiration କୋଉଠୁ ଆସିଥିଲା?
By accident. I'm a doctor by accident.
Please say us more about it.
Like ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ପଢ଼ାପଢ଼ି କରୁଥିଲି ସେତେବେଳେ almost most of my friends who are good in academics, ସେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଡକ୍ଟର ହେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ. So I thought, okay, I will also join that band. That's why I become a doctor. Otherwise, I was good in mathematics. I'm still good at mathematics. So it was by accident.
What is your go-to stress buster after a long period of time? Like after a long day?
My son. I really love to spend time with my son. Even 5 minutes also, he is my stress buster. Every time whenever I will be stressed, my wife जान सुने की चीज़ होती है मुझको पढ़े तो automatically I good tension तो relieve है. So my son is only my stress buster. Then after that, music, obviously Bollywood music. I love Bollywood music.
Okay. Sir, I have another question which will take you to nostalgia. So, any memory, like any memorable moment from your college life when you were studying MBBS?
One memory which I am really missing, last year how would you come there night 2 o'clock रे गोपालपुर बीच रे जाके सोया. Night 2 o'clock रे हमें जब गोपालपुर बीच से हम पुलिस गाड़ी करियो, but still हम पुलिस को बिच्ची की क्रिमिनल के बीच से जो ଆଉ ତାପରେ ନେଇଥିବ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ବେଡସିଟ୍ ପେଟି ପାରିକି ଖା ପିଅ କରି ଶୋଇ ଦେବୁ. ସକାଳ 4ଟା 5ଟା ବେଳକୁ ପୋଲିସ ପୁଣି ଆଉଥରେ ଉଠେଇବ ବାଡ଼େଇବ ଗୋଡ଼େଇବ, ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଆସିବୁ ଟିକେ ଚୁପଚାପ ଆସି ଆମ ଗାଡ଼ି ଧରିକି ଆସିବୁ ରିଟର୍ନ. ତ ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ମିସ୍ କରୁଛି, ରିଏଲି ମିସ୍ କରୁଛି. ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା ହେଉଛି ଏବେ ତ କରିବ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ନାହାନ୍ତି. ଦେନ୍ ନାଓ ଆଇ ବିକମ୍ ଏ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବଲ୍ ପର୍ସନ୍, ତ ସେମିତି କରିହେବନି. ବଟ୍ ଆଇ ରିଏଲି ମିସ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟ.
Happy Doctors Day, sir.
Thank you so much.
I'm here to ask you few questions, quick questions, and you have to give quick answers.
Sure.
So the first question is, what is your experience like at Samam?
So I joined Samam day 1 6 years back. So my experience in this last 6 years is excellent. Treating patients, learning every day from my experience from the patients, and curing the patients, and the feedback from the patients, and the support from the management, the affection from my colleagues, the support from the administrative people is immense. So whatever I am today is all because of, I think, this hospital, for the patients and to my colleagues here in Some Ultimate Hospital.
Sir, being an intensivist, what is the most challenging part of your day-to-day life?
The most challenging part is that in many patients, when we cannot exactly find out the cause of the disease, or we are treating the patient and sometimes the improvement of the patient is not as per our choice. Sometimes we think that we are very much tensed. So maybe at hospital, maybe at home, always that thought continues, what addition that we can contribute so that the patient gets cured and earlier. So that is what I think that makes us tense, that in spite of giving our best, if the patient condition doesn't improve as per our expectation, that makes us tense. And knowing that the try is from whatever best possible we can do, but the outcome is not in our hand, it's the Almighty.
Sir, what is that one piece of advice you would give to the aspiring doctors?
So my advice will be that the profession we are in, the doctor profession, we should do our work sincerely, to the best of our effort, with a good hope and with a empathy to the patient and to the patient relative. Every patient, every life is important. So give your best effort and the rest leave to the Almighty.
Happy Doctor's Day, ma'am. Thank you. I have few questions for you. I'll ask you few good questions. You need to answer them quickly. The first question is, like, what inspired you to become a doctor?
I always imagined myself to be in a white coat. Even my family always wanted me to do service of people without anything in return. So it's kind of my parents' passion, my own wish that I just give my best to them.
Your life is already very busy. So, apart from being a doctor, what else do you like to do in your free time?
So like shopping, sleeping, painting.
What is the most proudest moment for you in your career?
It's not like I have many proudest moments after being a doctor, after serving in humanity. When they patients are satisfied, when they bless me from the heart, I just feel like I'm in the cup of the world, and then that gives me into solace to my soul. So there are many proudest moments, not one I can say, after being a doctor.
Happy Doctor's Day, sir.
Thank you.
I have few questions. I'll ask you quick questions. You need to answer them quickly. So the first question is, what is your go-to stress buster after a long shift?
Okay, so first of all, this long shift generally in our day-to-day practice, usually we go through them, and stress buster. In my case, if personally I would say, then music would be the answer. So it's my very close to heart. I'm an avid music listener. Do hum a bit in my leisure time, and it is really a good companion to me.
How many years have you been in Sammo?
In Samam, I have been more than 4.5 years around, we can say. So, say quite good place to work with, and the journey continues, and we are giving patient care up to our best, and hope to continue.
So in this journey, आपन कौन लगुचे Samam कहीं की stand out करूचे अन्य hospitals to?
ଯଦି ସମମ୍ର ପାର୍ଟ ଆମେ କହିବା ଜେନେରାଲି ଆମେ ଏଠି ଓଭରଅଲ୍ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ କେୟାର ଯାହା ରହିଲା କି ଯାହା ସର୍ଭିସ୍ ଆମେ ପେସେଣ୍ଟଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅଫର କରୁ ଏଜ୍ ଏ ଟିମ୍ ଆମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ କରୁ ଡିଜିଜ୍କୁ ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାରଲି ଅଙ୍କ ଯଦି ମୋ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଭ୍ୟୁରୁ କହିବି ତ ଅଙ୍କକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଡିଜିଜ୍ ହିସାବରେ ଆମେ ନ ନେଇକି ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ସନର ତାର ଡ୍ରବ୍ୟାକ୍ କ'ଣ ରହୁଛି ତାକୁ କେଉଁ ୱେରେ ଆମେ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ କରିପାରିବା ଆମର କମ୍ପ୍ରେହେନ୍ସିଭ୍ ଟିମ୍ ଅଛି ତ ଓଭରଅଲ୍ केवल डॉक्टर की केवल गोटे सेगमेंट कहबिनी आ एठी हम कम्प्रेहेंसिव कैंसर केयर सेमती लाइकवाइज अदर डिपार्टमेंट कम्प्रेहेंसिव सर्विस में दो होलिस्टिक अप्रोच है राइट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम आमर रिसेप्शन स्टाफ हूँ नर्सिंग स्टाफ हूँ बिजनेस पार्टनर हूँ कि पेशेंट केयर पे जहाँ भी आमर जो जो सेक्शन रे अच्छा समस्ते गोटे जॉइंट टीम हिसाब से आम कम करूँ आ पेशेंट केयर रे हो पेशेंट आउटकम रे हो पेशेंट कर जो स्ट्रेस लेकर आसी था जीवा बेले से जहाँ किसी सेटिस्फेक्शन दे पारो से मुहरे से जो संतोष भावना देखले से जो आम एफर्टा काम करे बोल लगे आ हेल्थ केयर टा गोटे एमती सेक्टर आप देखिए कि सॉलिटरी एफर्ट रे आम टार्गेट अचीव कर पारानी सी पर्सपेक्टिव टा बहुत कीनली अल्टीमेटली आम फॉलो करूँ होपफुली से पेशेंट केयर रे और पेशेंट आउटकम रे रिफ्लेक्ट कर पाइबा करूचे जोटा कंटिन्यू कर परिबा
Happy Doctor's Day, sir.
Thank you so much.
I'll ask you a few random questions. You need to answer them quickly. So the first question is, how many years have you been doctor?
Been doctor. I finished my MBBS I think 2010. So been a doctor since 15 years.
How many years have you completed in summer?
Some of it's 5 years.
What is the best thing about summer?
People are professional, and whatever I've asked from the hospital, they have given me in terms of equipment, manpower, and the vision.
One experience from your MBBS journey, like which is unforgettable. Can you please share it with us?
There are many experiences. One particular thing was like we won the cricket tournament. I studied in Chennai, so we won the Tamil Nadu Intermediate Sports in a competition with 14 colleges. So that was quite memorable.
Any mischiefs, sir? In your college days?
Very recent.
Happy Doctor's Day, ma'am. Thank you. I'll ask you a few random questions. You need to answer them quickly. So the first question is, how many years have you been in this medical industry?
I have been practicing for last 5 years, but I've been a graduate since for 15 years now.
And how many years have you been in summer?
3 years, last 3 years.
What do you think some ultimate Medicare gives back to the society?
It gives back to the society the best medical care possible with all modern technologies, and I think on time. Some medical services are available at time. So anytime you face pain, you should come to someone.
Mandira, life is obviously very much tough. So have it ever stuck your mind कि मैं किसी और का career choose करते better than like not being a doctor would be option then?
No, I think I always wanted to be a doctor. Since childhood it was my dream to be a doctor. Yes, it is tiring, but we love every bit of it.
The last question is describe Summum in one word.
Trust.
Patient satisfaction.
Encouraging.
Excellent. Ultimate.
Best hospital so far. What's that?
Total healthcare. It's a wonderful place.
Awesome.
Marvelous.
As the name suggests, it is the ultimate place. So the name Summum justifies itself.
It's a second family profession.
Tagline, transforming lives.
Namaskar. I am Dr. Prashant Kumar Ponda, Medical Superintendent, Sum Ultimate Medicare, Bhubaneswar. On the auspicious occasion of National Doctors' Day, I really appreciate our doctors at Sum Ultimate Medicare who are totally different than any other doctors, and their tireless and seamless work which has brought out an excellent results in last 6 years' time. We are a 575 bedded hospital with quaternary care facilities and almost 200 bedded ICUs we have. And I'm really thankful to all my doctors at Sum Ultimate Medicare for their seamless service to the mankind and forgetting their own belongings or own belongingness, and I really thank them all. Thank you very much.
Good morning, Namaskar. Today is our National Doctors' Day, 1st of July. So this particular day we celebrate to commemorate the birthday of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai, who is the most eminent doctor of his time, and on this particular day we recognize the effort of all the doctors, and the awards are given to the doctors who have done exceptional good work, and it is basically in that analogy. I would like to say that in this particular year 2025, so now one thing comes to my mind, that behind the mask, who heals the healers? This is the slogan, this is the theme which has come out. So then, particularly doctors, they lead a very stressful life, they take care of the patients, and at all times also they have to be available for the better care of the patient. If a doctor is not available in time, then there is no point. So all these things produces stress. So it depends the responsibility of the society as well to be more cooperative and more cordially working with the doctors, and always to treat them as a friend and somebody who can definitely help them at the time of need. In Doctors' Day, in entire world, there is one international day and one national day. We in India, from 1991, we are celebrating the National Doctors' Day, and it is celebrated every year. In Sum Ultimate Medicare, it is always being celebrated every year from the inception. We came into existence in 20th of March 2020. It is a huge hospital. It is a 575 bed hospital, and after starting the hospital itself, we are very grateful to the public that it has been very well accepted, and we are getting all support of the people of our state, people of our nation also, and we get patients from abroad. We have got all specialties and very eminent doctors, those who are very well qualified in all super specialties, and they are available to us at the time of need. Every year, every month, we always try to see that whatever new type of treatment or whatever is happening around the world, that should be available in our hospital for the betterment for the people of Odisha. So keeping that in mind, I'm sure that we should get the cooperation of all the people of Odisha and our nation, and to the extent that Bhubaneswar being gradually recognized as a medical hub, then we are the leading, and we want all your cooperation to be always in the leading front and to be of greater use to our poorer section of the society as well as for each one and everybody. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Well, you have heard what my doctors seen or have to say about Some Ultimate Medicare. I would say Samam is the sum of all these perceptions, all these qualities or values. But more than that, it's a temperament. In a way which is being practiced as service to life, well shaped, every day those practice it. And that's how our consultants, our doctors embody and reflect. If people love Samam and say that Samam feels different, it is because our doctors are different. While I wish a very happy Doctors' Day to all our doctors, I would like to add, you are the reason for which Samam is something to so many. Thank you.